Before you start your work, you need four things. You need to prepare your space, get your materials, make up a playlist if you want to listen to music, and set up some time. For today's task, you're gonna need an A5 piece of paper. Remember that this can be a blank piece of paper or lined, any type of paper, it doesn't matter if it has something in the back. You will need a pencil, and in this task we're gonna be working with negative space, so you need to find a silhouette. So think of what you would like to draw. It can be a cartoon character, it can be the silhouette of an animal, it can be a character, maybe a Japanese or Chinese character. You can use, if you like, some color pencils or some color pens, and that's it. And that's not it. You will need to find some patterns as well. You can create your own patterns or you can find some online. So the first thing that you need to do is copy your image into your A5 piece of paper. This is not an exercise about accuracy, so if it makes it easier, you feel free to trace. You just need to try to get the silhouette or the Chinese or Japanese character into your piece of paper. Once you have your silhouette drawn, you're gonna start by splitting your background into sections. I would suggest use 5 or 6 sections, and then on each section you're gonna use one of your patterns. Try to relate them to the object that you're drawn. So if it's something related to nature, maybe try to use natural shapes. If it's a character, maybe it's a character that's related to fire or to water, try to do patterns that represent that a bit. You can do this with pencil first and then pen, or if you want to work straight with pen or color pencils, you can too. I did 2 examples for you this time. The first one is a character from Pokémon. I used Vaporeon, and I used patterns that relate to water. I tried to use blues and purples as well. And for the second example, I used the Chinese character for good luck, and I just used patterns that I liked. So think what you would like to do, find a silhouette that works for you, and have a go and have fun. I hope you enjoy this. If you want to have a look at more videos, click over here, and if you want to subscribe, don't forget to click the link just there. Thanks for watching.